Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to play Smoking Rapid on Slotomania. First of all, open your Slotomania application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage or the lobby screen, go ahead and then look for the slot game list on the screen. Now select Smoking Rapid from the menu and tap on it. Now go ahead and click on the spin button at the bottom right corner. Familiarize yourself with the reels, pay line and symbols. Check the pay table to see which symbol are the most valuable. Go ahead and adjust your total bets. Make sure that the total bet fits your budget. And click on spin and watch the reels and hope for winning combinations. So that is how you will be able to play Smoking Rapid in Slotomania. Remember that Slotomania is a game of chance. Set limits on your playtime and enjoy the entertainment aspect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.